Boost your WooCommerce sales, add social media icons to product pages. How to add social media icons to WooCommerce product pages. Navigate to the Product Badges section. Go to the Embed tab. Click Add New to create a new social media badge. Give your badge a name for easy identification. Choose Social Media Icons. Click Add New Badge. Click on the Change button to pick your desired icon from the icon library. Select Link. Add the URL to your store's social media page. Go to the Theme and Styles tab. Adjust the icon size for both desktop and mobile views. Choose the position of the icon, left, center, or right. Set a hover effect, like rotate, to make it interactive. Go to the Targeting tab. Enable Custom Position. Select after CSS Selector. Choose to apply it to all products. Click Save to apply your changes. Go to your store and open any product page. You should now see the social media icons displayed on each product page, fully clickable and linked to your store's social profiles. How to add social media icons to WooCommerce product pages. Navigate to the Product Badges section. Go to the Embed tab. Click Add New to create a new social media badge. Give your badge a name for easy identification. Choose Social Media Icons. Click the Change button to select your preferred icons from the icon library. Go to the Theme and Styles tab. Adjust the icon size for both desktop and mobile views. Set the border style to solid and define the border width as 2 pixels. Modify the border radius to round the corners. Change the padding, top/bottom and left/right, to align the icons neatly. Go to the Targeting tab. Enable Custom Position. Select after CSS selector. Choose to apply it to all products. Click Save to apply your changes. Visit your store and open any product page. You'll now see your clickable social media icons displayed on each product page, seamlessly linking to your store's social media profiles. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Navigate to the Pro version tab. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.